celebration, baby, if you wanna spit a bottle with me, we could wrestle in our clothes. Laugh until our stomachs look like 8-pack muscles. It's a celebration, baby, if you wanna spit a bottle with me, we could wrestle in our clothes. Laugh until our stomachs look like 8-pack muscles. And we'll party like we're 17. Okay, I think I want it. You say you got that money. You say that's how you do it. And I don't know how you could hate on a player, ever hate on me. I'm kinda dope, a little ADD, but I've been making hella banging since age 17. My ex-girl used to say that she was steady dating this rapper, like that's all I'll be. So fuck that, think I'm gonna sing. So when she hears this song, she'll be like, who is he? Who is this? For real, who is this? The song is dope, who is this? It's a celebration, baby, if you wanna spit a bottle with me, we could wrestle in our clothes. Laugh until our stomachs look like 8-pack muscles. And we'll party like we're 17. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, yeah, I get it. I'm pretty great, and you was living. From a timid boy to hit, making minutes, baby, I'll be on my own, turning everything to gold. I ain't never afraid to touch it, and I'll send it back home. I've been working on the low, spending time up in the sky. Got these baby blues looking like the color in your eyes. Say you way up in the clouds, passing switches all around. And I don't really smoke, but I'm thinking about it now. Got me feeling way too good. From the hood that had his headphones playing loud. Yeah. Just a boy from the hood that had his headphones playing loud.
Ooh, young boy, blow the speakers out. I knew you loved me. You would wait in line for hours when them sneakers out. I used to pull up on you, sneak you out the house. You could be the baddest girl and you ain't had to lose your blouse. Those days, do it like we don't know better. Do it like we might get caught. Every night a new adventure. Do it like we